So what's up for your vlog 9, I guess? I'm here with my dog. I'm walking him. And he likes to be on the dirt and on the road. Literally, watch this. No! It's gonna be a long walk. No. Come on. No! Okay. So, I'm sure you saw my video about my dog. Well, it's big now. Literally. Big. Ayaw, tira! Okay. He loves grass and dirt. He really loves pipes. Lee. No. 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 Lee. Come on. No. Fine, we're going back. Bailey. Drop my leash. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. 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 Ayaw na, ayaw na, ayaw na, ayaw na. Ay. No. It makes me spin all the time. I get dizzy. Come on. On the road, on the road. Oh. This dog has more energy than me. When I wake up in the morning, I don't want to get out of bed. He's the reason I get up on the bed, feeding him every single day. Now what? Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, so short vlog, just walking the dog. Okay, if you know how to do the walk the dog with the yo-yo, call me.